Hey everybody, this is Bob Massing with Keller Williams. Here I am at 112 Wilshire Drive in Easley. It is right between Powdersville and Easley, and it's in a great quiet location in the neighborhood of Greystone. And it has 2 stories plus a full finished basement, has a media room down there. It's got a beautiful built-in pool out in the backyard with an extended concrete pad and deck overlooking everything out there. It's gorgeous. I hope you're going to like it. We're going to give you a little walk through here, and if you like it, give me a call at 864-606-HOME and we can arrange a showing or give you more information. Have a wonderful day.